So this is our second ramen, the Shin-Sen-Gumi's Hakata ramen.
Second ramen, I hear it's always the best.
Let's try it.
Yum.
Itadakimasu.
This is their pickled ginger. Comes in the box.
This
It is
is
sour. Yeah.
this is not as salty.
No. This is it's a much simpler flavor than the last one, but it's still. I think it's much tastier. This is the homey feeling that I'm talking about, Kevin.
It tastes like the ramen we made at home.
But the noodles, yeah.
Yeah.
The noodles they're fine, but I'm glad I like the broth a lot more.
As a Hakata ramen, I expected more.
More in like complexity, or more as in like.
Texture-wise, taste-wise, I don't know.
I can understand texture, but I think the flavors. It's quite satisfying.
I think it's pretty good. Like I can keep eating, and I don't feel too salty.
I think it's not a big difference than the, you know, like you sometimes you pay like $3.99, you got the fat package instant noodle from like a market. I think it's similar to that.
I think it's better than that. I like this a lot.
1 to 10.
It's like a 6 for me.
It's a 6.
I think 8.5. Yeah.
Wow.
I like it.
It's an 8 for me. Cool. Thank you.